Mini has custom crafted a special one-off John Cooper Works convertible example for a long-time Mini enthusiast. Dubbed the Mini.01, this road-legal one-off showcases a striking two-tone color scheme and over 50 exclusive details throughout its interior and exterior design. Created especially for a devoted Mini enthusiast from the United States, the Mini.01 represents a special moment for Mini Plant Oxford, with a new depth of factory-led personalization. The exterior features a distinctive split, triple-layered, two-tone paint finish in midnight black and a unique shade of metallic green, personally chosen by the customer, a combination never seen before on a Mini. The exclusive model is equipped with factory-fitted JCW accessories, including JCW front and side winglets, which are color-matched and embellished with unique details, and 18-inch JCW rally spoke alloy wheels. The two-tone paint extends to the rear diffuser, while the wing mirrors are decorated with black and white stripes. Further additions, such as Mini Super Special 001 wording above the front wheel arch and a Mini.01 badge on the boot lid, continue to set the vehicle apart. A Union Jack soft-top roof features as a tribute to Mini Plant Oxford and the brand's British heritage. Green color-matched accents continue inside the cabin, with unique color decorative elements such as the seat inserts, toggle bar trim, decorative dashboard strap, and Harman Kardon speaker housing. For a subtle yet effective contrast, the air vents, cup holder surrounds, and door handles are finished in matte white. Mini.01 badging can be found throughout the interior, including on the 6 o'clock steering wheel element, the wireless charging unit, and on the floor mats. Upon entering and exiting the vehicle, passengers are greeted with backlit door sill plates with the Mini Super Special .01 inscription, as another reminder that this is a truly special Mini. Marcus Gruneisel, CEO of Plants Oxford and Swindon, commented, "This custom-crafted John Cooper Works convertible represents a fantastic collaboration between the Mini product and design teams, the local market, and Plant Oxford production. We're delighted with the result and craftsmanship that showcases what our team in the UK can achieve." With the creation of the Mini.01, the Mini brand further cements its commitment to vehicle personalization, while showcasing manufacturing excellence at the home of Mini, Plant Oxford. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice, and reviews.